Shabbos the way it was meant to be done. If you'd like to join us, take a load off and put your feet up. No need to put your name on the wait list. You're already a VIP. Oh, and you might want to hold on to your jacket. It's pretty chill in here.
All right. Welcome to the first real edition of the Sabbath Lounge. Matt and Jose will be your hosts, and we look forward to the journey that we're going to go on. Tonight, we'll begin to discuss a little bit about background, the journey that we went on to get here. I hope you'll have time to join us and enjoy the show later.
Pretty chill in here.